My name is Torbjoern Larisch and I'm the Group Managing Director for FLS. I oversee all 8 FLS offices around the world.
My name is Marcel Kirschnick and I'm the new General Manager at FLS Logistics within the FLS 1993 Thailand Group, and I will be coming on board since October 1st.
Actually, I know Marcel since a couple of years. He used to work down in this building for another freight forwarding company, and as it happens, you go for lunch sometimes, you have a coffee together, and at one of those coffee breaks the idea came about to do something new, and that's how the idea for FLS Logistics started. And I'm very glad that Marcel is on board now, and looking forward to the future we're going to have together. Actually, we had the idea of starting a general freight forwarding department inside FLS Thailand for quite a while already. And then when we started talking with Marcel, it kind of made click. Here is the right guy to open this new entity called FLS Logistics, and very happy to have him on board now.
Yeah, when Torbjoern came with the original idea, immediately I was interested and I signaled my interest to FLS, and we started talking a little further. We developed a business plan together, went into details with a few discussions here and there, some negotiations, and within a very short time, shorter than I expected, we created FLS Logistics, and that's where we are here today.
Since FLS was started 26 years ago, we have been really mostly active in the field of project forwarding, project logistics. We are one of the leading providers worldwide in this field now, but it just makes a lot of sense now that we have also handling a lot of FCL, LCL, air freight, trucking, warehousing, that we put more focus on this field, and bringing a professional like Marcel on board to further our activities in these fields makes a lot of strategic sense for us, and that's why we're doing it. No, FLS Logistics actually is just a marketing brand which we use for this new venture. Same as FLS Projects, it is all under the legal entity of FLS 1993 Thailand, and that will remain the same. Marcel will actually take the role as General Manager of FLS Logistics. Besides him, we have hired 2 more very experienced professionals from the industry to assist him in his business development efforts. And of course, Sebastian Heinzeling, our Director of Finance and Operations, Francesco Rivi, our Director of Business Development, and myself will ensure that the link with the existing setup and the existing FLS group is there, and that this will be a successful venture. FLS 1993 will actually be the back office for this setup. We will provide legal, administrative, insurance, and any other matters they need assistance in to this new venture, and we will do everything to make it successful. Besides that, we of course have our team of very experienced operators, 15 to 20 people here in the back office, which will help to execute any new projects which FLS Logistics brings on board successfully.
Of course, as Torbjoern already mentioned, it's all somehow interlinked. The construction of a big project like a petrochemical module for export, for example, will need a vast amount of smaller shipments coming into the construction first. So whether we talk pipes, valves, flanges, meters, whatever that might be, this is where FLS Logistics will come in and support the colleagues from FLS Project for these shipments. But it's also working, I would say, the other way around. So customers of FLS Logistics who plan to expand their factory or even build a completely new factory, they will need machines and big materials to come into Thailand. And this is where our colleagues from FLS Projects for sure will be able to help us, so that we have one interlinked solution for the customer. With FLS Logistics, we don't want to compete against the big global players in the market of freight forwarding, of course. What we want to achieve is being another option to fill a gap where our customers face issues that somebody else might not have been able to solve. You have a shipment to an odd destination, or you need some special permits that require a lot of work in the background with authorities. That's where we come in and help you. That's really where we see ourselves, with a strong team going into tailor-made niche markets for our customers. Naturally, with the home base in Thailand FLS Logistics will focus on the automotive industry, consumer goods, white goods, but also the chemical industry. If you ask me for target markets geographically, I would say FLS can be present everywhere, but there's a clear strength in Africa, the Middle East, and South America, from what I've seen so far. That originally comes from the power plant projects and all the infrastructure projects that the FLS project colleagues supported. So these are the key markets we want to focus on at first. As I mentioned already, I do not see FLS Logistics competing against the global players in the market. So our main competition will rather be small and medium-sized localized freight forwarders, because we are targeting a market where we do tailor-made solutions for our customers, which normally or not automatically would fit into the standard setups of the global players. So yeah, that's where I see the main competition, local players in each individual market.
FLS is a management-owned company, which means that we as the management can take decisions on the spot. We are not like a big multinational company which has a lot of layers of management, where decisions take a lot of time, a lot of meetings, and then still might be, good opportunities might be turned down. When we see a good opportunity, go for it. It doesn't mean that we take more risks than others, but it means that we can be closer to our customers, taking decisions right on the spot and delivering the outcome to our clients, which they can really need in their business.
Well, it might sound a little bit cheesy, but it's a fact. At FLS Logistics, what we want to do is we want to take our customer's problem and make it our SOP, and not use our SOP and make that the customer's problem. So we want to really go into the customer's problem, understand the customer's behavior, the customer's way of managing things, and adapt our solution according to the customer. This tailor-made solution is what will make us different. And you can find, if you look at our website, you can find a slogan saying, "Challenge us." And it's not only a slogan, we mean it. Challenge us. Give us a try, give us a problem, and we will solve it for you.
FLS Logistics will be successful for the same reasons as FLS Projects has been successful. We understand that our customers are not just our customers, they're actually our employers. They are the ones which pay our salaries every day. They are the ones which make our business viable. So we really appreciate what our customers do for us, and we cherish them, and that's how we build partnerships over many, many years. And the success we have is testament to that, and we want to build the same thing with FLS Logistics. The second important factor are our employees. I think we are very good at FLS to retain employees for a long time. Since the company was founded 26 years ago here in Thailand, we have employees which are still there from the first day. The same is true for other offices of FLS around the world, and this is our real strength. Retaining the best people, developing the best people, and therefore having really a great source of knowledge and expertise in our business. And I hope Marcel will be able to build the same thing with FLS Logistics. The third important factor are our subcontractors, of course. We really strive to build partnerships with our subcontractors which go beyond a normal, let's say, client-subcontractor relationship. We build partnerships which allow them to grow their business as well. And this makes them successful, makes us successful, and together all these three factors bring FLS Projects and in the future also FLS Logistics to the forefront of our industry.
I think that's very clear. In FLS Logistics, we want to become the #1 address in Southeast Asia for our customers to go to if there's a problem that nobody else could solve.
We not only love projects, we also love logistics.